Hey fam, it's Miss D here to get you in step with an instructional video of your favorite line dance. Now today we're doing You Drop the Bomb on Me. Okay, it's only 4/8 counts and it's just one wall, so we can get this done in 5 minutes flat. So I'm going to turn my back to make it easier to follow. Okay, this is my right, this is my left, that's the front wall, that's the back wall. First 8 counts, you're going to start right, right, left, left, right, left, right, right. Okay. So it's one, two, two on the right, one, two, two on the left, and then one, two, right, left, and then two on the right. Okay. So here's the count: one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Okay. One more time. It's single, single, double, double, single. Okay? Right? First 8 count. Second 8 count from here. You're going to kick, down, kick, down. Okay? So it's 2 kicks. You're going to kick right, step down, kick left, step down. Okay? And so when you notice when you step down, that's where you can add your little flavor. So kick up, down, kick up, down. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, take your right foot, step forward, pivot half turn, and then do it again. Right foot forward, pivot half turn. Okay? All right, so let's do that second 8 count. Ready? With the kicks. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step half turn, step half turn. Okay? So let's put those first 2 8 counts together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, right, left, left, right, left, right, right. Kick right, kick left, step right, half turn, step right, half turn. Okay? All right. Halfway done, y'all. From here, we just went 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And we're going to, with our right foot, kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change, kick, ball, change. You're going to do 2 of those. And what's a kick, ball, change? Just kick the right foot, step it down, right, step left. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay? So you're going to do 2 of those, starting with the right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, ball, change, kick, ball, change. From here, you're going to step out right, roll them hips. 5, 6, step left, roll the hips. 7, 8. Okay? So we just went 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try it again. Kick, ball, change, kick, ball, change. Roll it to the right, roll it to the left. Right? Let's put those 3 8 counts together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Right and left, right, left, right, right. Kick down, step, half turn, step, half turn. Kick, ball, change, kick, ball, change. Now roll it and roll it. All right? One more time. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, right, left, left, right, left, right, right. Kick, down, step, half turn, step, half turn. Kick, ball, change, now roll it and roll it. All right? Last 8 count. We're going to step to the right. We're going to do a shuffle step. 1 and 2, rock, 3, 4. And then do the same to the left side. Step with the left, 5 and 6, rock, 7, 8. And in line dance world, that's called a Lindy step, okay? So we just went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So right, left, right, step back on the left, step down on the right, reverse, right, left, step back on the right, down on the left, okay? Now, trail ride version, you'll just see 2 steps. Step, step, back, and step, step, back, okay? Your flavor, right? So now let's put 4 counts, those 4 count 8s those 4/8 counts together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the dance, y'all. All right. Let's do it and pick up the pace just a little bit. Ready? You drop the bomb on me. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, that's it. Okay. So if this was helpful, let me know. Send me a like, share, subscribe to the channel, and I will keep them coming because this is what I love to do. Y'all get out there and dance for. I love you. Mwah.